Welcome to this nighttime guided meditation, where we will feel the sensation of gratitude. Now remember, only listen to this recording if you are in a safe place. You are not handling heavy machinery or driving, etc. Let us begin. You see, today was a beautiful day, was it not? Whether you thought it was or was not is irrelevant. Why is that? Because you can call upon the sensation of gratitude at will. As you are laying or sitting there, simply begin by stretching your body. Stretch your body as far as it will go. Those hands above the head, those pointed toes, and stretch, stretch, stretch your body out. That's right. Now let your body go limp. That is beautiful. Let your body go limp. And if you should feel any remaining tension, stretch it one more time. Stretch your body as far as it will go, hands way above the head. And those toes are pointed. And now let your body go limp once more. Very good. Now, relax. That's it. Allow yourself to simply lay there. Just lay there. Get comfortable. You see, your body wants to relax. Your body wants to be at ease. So allow it to do so. That's it. Now, a nice big yawn will help you. It'll help you to relax your eyebrows, your cheeks, your jaw, your throat, your neck. That's it. Your shoulders, let them relax. Your arms, your hands, your fingers. Let them relax. And now the abdomen, your belly. Perhaps you are holding your breath lots today. Well, let it go. Allow your belly to relax, because everything is all right. Absolutely everything is all right. That's it. Relax your buttocks. We've been walking, standing, sitting, moving about all day. Let it relax. That's it. Take your time. Allow the thighs, even your knees, let them relax. Your legs, your feet, your toes, let them simply relax. Well done. Take a moment to just simply lay there in the silence. Just lay there and feel. That's right. Your body is relaxed. It has a very, very beautiful feeling right now. That's it. Bring your attention to your breathing. If you've noticed, you've been inhaling through the nose nice and slow, and you've been exhaling through the nose nice and steady. You see, your body knows exactly what it's doing. Continue to inhale nice and slow, and exhale with ease. That's it. Let's do it again. Inhale through the nose. Gently release that breath through the nose. Nice and easy does it. Now your body is fully relaxed. Your breathing is deep and even. Now the mind remains. Do you remember a time when you felt gratitude, when you felt grateful for something, anything? Do you remember a time where you gave something to someone and they felt grateful for it? See if you can bring up that sensation of gratitude in your body. See if you can feel that sensation in your body once more. Take your time as you seek out that sensation and allow your body to feel it again. That's it. Take your time. Take your time. That's it. Once you have found that sensation of gratitude, I want you to let it spread throughout your body. A good way. Inhale and bring that sensation to your body. And then when you exhale, spread it through your body. Let's do that. Inhale the sensation of gratitude. And as you exhale, spread that gratitude throughout your body. Do it again. Inhale the sensation, the beautiful sensation of gratitude. That's it. And now, slowly exhale and spread that gratitude throughout your body. See how it feels? It is at ease. There's a warmth in the chest. Yes. Inhale that gratitude and exhale and spread it through your body. That's it. And if your mind wanders away, it's all right. Gently bring it back to inhaling the gratitude and exhaling the gratitude and spreading it throughout your body. Take your time with it. That's it. Take your time. Do you notice that you have been holding that sensation of gratitude? Oh, that's beautiful. Just continue to breathe in the gratitude and spread it through your body as you exhale. Continue to do that as you listen, because you'll begin to notice the body is starting to get heavy. Oh yes, your body is beginning to get heavy the more it relaxes. Inhale the gratitude, and as you exhale, spread that gratitude throughout your body. And why? You see, the heavier your body becomes as you surrender to sleep, your subconscious mind, she rises to the surface and she whispers your name. And she sees the beautiful offering that you have for her, a most fragrant incense of gratitude. Oh, yes, and she absolutely will take it from you. She simply accepts all of your offerings. And as she accepts your offering of gratitude, surrender it. That's why she's there. And she does something most beautiful. You see, when she accepts your fragrant offering of gratitude, she replaces it with restful, rejuvenating sleep. As you simply surrender your gratitude to your subconscious mind, she gracefully accepts. Oh, indeed, she does. And something most incredibly wonderful happens. As she accepts your gratitude, she takes it as she submerges herself into you once more. And when you awaken throughout the day, she will present you with little gifts. Why? Because you gave her gratitude, and she wants to give you things to be grateful for. So your waking experiences will be filled with things that you are most grateful for. They are beautiful things. Because she must match the fragrance that you gave her the night before. So the more you continue to surrender your gratitude to your subconscious mind, she will continue to present you with little trinkets, little beautiful things that match your fragrant gratitude. Oh, what a lovely exchange, don't you think? Indeed. Take a moment now and just lay there and allow her to take your gratitude, surrender it to her. Simply surrender your gratitude. Rest a while in that sensation as sleep begins to encroach upon you. Very good. Very good. Take your time and surrender. Surrender to sweet sleep. That's it. That's it. Allow your body to continue to surrender to sweet sleep. You see, because when you wake in the morning, you shall be refreshed, invigorated, and clear of mind. That's exactly correct. That sleep is warm on your body, starting at your toes and working its way up over your ankles and to your knees, all the way up your thighs and to your hips, that warm, heavy blanket of sleep, all the way up your chest, slowly coming to rest under your chin. Allow yourself to simply surrender to the sweetness of sleep, the beauty of slumber. That's it. Take your time as you simply surrender to sleep now. Surrender to sleep. That's heaviness of sleep to cradle you like a babe to the bosom. That's it. That's it. Surrender. Surrender to sleep. Surrender now. Simply surrender to the beauty of sleep. That's it. Take your time and simply surrender. Surrender. Rest well, my beautiful friend.